For the 2024 model, the KTM EXC and EXC-F lineup continues to raise the bar in the areas of performance, development, and innovation. These changes have come directly from learnings at the highest level of enduro competition, with racer input being at the forefront. The hydroformed, laser-cut, and robot-welded frame has undergone major updates to improve overall dynamics, anti-squat behavior, and overall stability. Designed and constructed with specifically calculated parameters of longitudinal and torsional flex, the new frame provides exceptional rider feedback, energy absorption, and straight-line stability. This comes from specifically repositioned rotating masses in the frame and the forged steering head connection, together with an all-new shock mount, which is no longer connected to the main frame tube. As a result of the new frame geometry, the footrest mounts have moved inwards, making for an overall slimmer profile. This makes the foot pegs less susceptible to hooking in deep ruts or narrow tracks. However, the overall size of the footrests has increased for dramatically improved comfort and control when standing on the pegs. The new two-piece aluminum subframe provides impressive weight savings. With the help of computational dynamics, carefully calculated rigidity was engineered into the subframe, delivering outstanding handling and feedback. The lower subframe supports and frame mounts are made from aluminum, guaranteeing lightness, robustness, and reliability, while the upper subframe is made from an injection-molded polyamide, allowing for specific flex characteristics. This design has also made the subframe remarkably robust, with the subframe more likely to flex and bend back into shape in the event of an accident. All electronic components, including an all-new off-road control unit, are also fully integrated into the subframe, keeping them safe, dry, and out of the way. A new swing arm is designed to offer optimal stiffness and reliability at the lowest possible weight. The topology has been optimized for rigidity, while an improved casting process reduces weight by approximately 190 grams. A new 22mm rear axle has also been fitted to match the new flex characteristics of the chassis. A new chain guard and chain sliders have been added, resulting in improved durability and less chance of hooking on boots or external objects, as well as reducing dirt buildup around the swing arm and chain guard. Chain adjustment markings are now also visible from above to allow for quick and easy chain adjustment. All new 48mm white power closed cartridge fork finds its way into the 2024 KTM EXC lineup with a new mid-valve piston concept. This optimizes the oil flow within the cartridge for fast, consistent damping characteristics and avoids any unwanted foaming of fork oil that can lead to an unwanted change in the damping characteristics. A new hydro stop in the last 68mm of the stroke also helps to keep maximum compression in reserve when tackling extreme obstacles like steep drop-offs or jumps in special enduro stages. The fork protection rings have been updated, with a new design that provides increased protection against dirt intrusion. Overall, the total fork length has increased from 928mm to 940mm, while the stroke has increased from 292mm to 300mm, with new suspension settings taken directly from learnings made in the KTM and White Power departments. The new fork also features easy adjustability, with rebound and compression being adjusted via hand-adjustable clickers on the bottom of the fork shoe and on top of the fork top cap. This allows riders to change settings on the fly without the need for any special tool and makes for quick and easy adjustments between laps or while refueling in the pits. The progressive damping system remains an exclusive signature element for KTM and sees an all-new design of the WP-X4 PDS shock. More compact, with an overall length decrease to 402.7mm, compared to 415mm in the previous generation. Also, the stroke has decreased from 105mm to 102.7mm, with a 380 grams weight reduction. It also features a new main piston, designed to optimize oil flow and more consistent damping characteristics. New bearing seals have also been included, which now set the benchmark when it comes to maintenance and service intervals. The WP-X4 PDS rear shock now also comes with adjustable hand clickers, allowing riders to change settings on the fly without the need for any tools. Compression is adjusted on top of the shock, with the rebound being adjusted on the bottom. Preload can also be adjusted for rider weight and preference by opening the securing ring with an Allen wrench and tightening or loosening the rear shock spring accordingly. The 2024 KTM EXC range has undergone a complete refresh to improve the rider triangle for better knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs. This, along with added contact surfaces on the bodywork, improves overall handling, agility, and rider confidence. A new flat seat profile, combined with a new orange high-grip seat cover, provides riders with exceptional control in all weather conditions. While a recessed grip pocket under the seat, just above the airbox, allows for a more secure grip when lifting the bike off paddock stands or in extreme riding terrain. This is also an integral design element that underlines the lightweight character of the 2024 EXC range. A newly designed front fender now incorporates mud fins, which provided exceptional results in dispelling and redirecting dirt and mud away from the rider and radiators in wet conditions. Thanks to precisely positioned inlet ducts aimed at preventing air deformation, the 2024 airbox design ensures maximum airflow and maximum filter protection at all times. As with previous years, the air filter is easily accessed, without tools, by removing the left side panel. Easy maintenance is guaranteed by the twin air filter and filter cage design that features a simple fail-proof mounting system for safe and accurate filter installation. Special attention has also been paid to sealing the airbox, to avoid any water intrusion in the event of extreme river crossings or downpours, with the inclusion of a splash protector under the airbox to repel any water or dirt splashing up from the rear wheel. New 8.5-liter fuel tank on 4-stroke bikes and 9-liter fuel tank on 2-stroke bikes are also new. Polythene fuel incorporates a threaded filler cap and an integrated fuel pump on the 4-stroke Enduro range, with the fuel pump featuring an external fuel line that is specifically positioned to make it less exposed to damage. A new one-piece fuel pump and filter provide an improved fuel supply, allowing the tank to be emptied further at the low fuel level. An all-new and totally independent OCU replaces the use of electronic fuses and relays and can be found under the seat. In the event of any electrical component failure, the outputs are deactivated individually, with the error status of each unit indicated by a red or green LED light, making for quick and easy troubleshooting on the trail and eliminating the need to carry additional fuses. A newly developed, optional map select switch finds its way onto the 2024 KTM range, as is designed for quick, easy operation. On the 2-stroke range, the map select switch allows riders to select between 2 engine maps, while on the 4-stroke range, it has multi-functionality, being used to toggle between engine maps, traction control, and quickshifter options. Map 1 is the standard, more mellow map for linear, predictable power, while Map 2 is an aggressive map for added throttle response and a more crispy, explosive power output. Following on from the successful introduction and learnings of TPI technology in 2018, the 2024 2-stroke KTM Enduro models feature an all-new electronically controlled throttle body injection system. Together with KTM, a 39mm throttle body was developed to withstand the harsh and full throttle demands of competitive racing. This is done by a specifically tuned ECU from Vitesco Works in conjunction with the KTM throttle body to always deliver the correct air-fuel mixture. By constantly analyzing water temperature and ambient pressure, along with the pressure within the crankcase, RPM, and throttle position, newly designed injectors also work to provide an optimal burn rate, with improved solder mean diameter, producing a finer spray of fuel for a cleaner ignition and less fuel wastage. With the introduction of EFI, the power valve is controlled according to the throttle position and engine RPMs. Being auto-calibrating, there's no more hassle with incorrect power valve adjustments, with the EMS calculating the ideal position automatically. This results in linear and predictable power delivery at all throttle inputs, as well as the ability to incorporate different engine maps across the 2-stroke range. The 2024 KTM range benefits from a more compact exhaust header design, achieving improved ground clearance and reducing the risk of any damage from deep ruts or external objects. The silencer also benefits from the compact treatment, crafted from lightweight aluminum and stylishly finished off in a premium black coating. The 2024 KTM range is the culmination of many years at the top end of Enduro competition, bringing together a dynamic combination of race-bred performance, ergonomics, and technology to challenge any terrain and redefine limits.